Hey YouTube, it's your girl TC Lachey back with another video. Okay, so I gotta go clean my car out and I'm about to put some of my accessories that my brother's mom gave it to me. And my brother wanted me to take him to this little motorbike place. So I'm about to pick up my baby brother. And you better go help me vacuum my car out. Okay, so I picked up my brother. Say hey to my vlog, okay?
What up, gang gang?
Anyways, I picked him up. Now we're about to go head to the car wash. Okay, so I just got into the car wash. Let me show y'all. Okay, as y'all seen, I just finished cleaning my car. Put my little pink steering wheel on. This little Honda thing right here. The little pink push start thing. And the little pink coasters. So, we about to go pick up our mama right quick. And then, we about... and then we about to go to the little, what it is? The little dirt bike place. Whatever it's called. I forgot what it's called.
Oh, I
Close the door. Yeah, don't not shit. No, you're not about to drive. Okay, so we'll see y'all later. Okay, so change of plans. We're going to put insurance on this child's phone first because he like to keep on breaking. So we're about to go hit the Boost Mobile. Okay. We just made it to Boost Mobile. Open the door, little boy. My little flunky. Yeah. We were trying to get insurance put on the phone. Okay. So unfortunately, we couldn't add insurance to my brother's phone because there's like after 7 days you can't do it. And it's been way over 7 days. He got this phone all the way at Christmas. So it is what it is. He'll be fine. He'll be fine, cry baby.
Ain't no crowd, baby. Keep it 100.
They like to do too much. Anyways,
Ain't saying too much.
I gotta pick up my mama now. Okay, I just made it to my mama's house. I'm gonna go check the mailbox.
You said that.
Okay, so we just made it. GN Gonzalez. Okay, so we found one. It's like 3,000-ish. It's green. Okay, so that was the end of the video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.